Good morning, students. Welcome to the online classes. Today, this is part 3 video of Science chapter 4. In this video, we are going to discuss about uniform. So let us open page number 33. Special clothes are owned by some people according to their work. A doctor or a nurse wear a white coat. So the special cloth that we wear is called uniform for a special kind of work. Alright. Now a lawyer wear a white shirt and a trouser and a black coat. People working in factories wear overalls over their clothes to prevent their clothes from becoming dirty. School children wear a uniform so that they can be recognized as the student of a particular school. Okay? You may have so many schools in your city, in your town, and you may have seen different students are wearing different clothes. So this will tell you from which school they are belongs to. Shoes and socks protect our feet from dust, heat, cloth, germs and worms. Walking barefoot can cause cuts. Do not wear wet or dirty socks or tight shoes. A soldier wear a uniform made from tough material so that it does not tear easily. A waiter wears a uniform so that he can be identified and spotted by the guests. So we wear different uniform. Just now you understand. I hope you understood about it. Nowadays you must have seen doctors are wearing PPE kits, right? Special kind of jacket and then kind of some plastic kind of things they are wearing to protect their hairs from the germs. Then the goggles, then the mask. Okay, so we wear different clothes for different purposes, for different kind of works. That PPE kit protect the doctors from getting infected from the virus. No, so there is purpose behind wearing special kind of clothes. That's what I mean to say. Just a minute. Yes. So there are some oral questions. I hope you could do this. You would be able to do this. Now, the clothes we wear. People living in different regions wear different types of clothes depending on the climate. Regions means suppose some live in Punjab, they wear different cloth. Some live in Rajasthan, they wear different cloth. Bengal, they wear different cloths. Right? So people belonging to different regions, they wear different cloth. And a tradition of the region as well as the tradition. The dress of the person living in Punjab will be different from that person living in Kerala. People living in different countries wear different types of clothes, and this is the speciality of our country. Here in this picture, in this activity, right, it is given below some peoples belonging to different states. By seeing their photos, you have to identify which states they belongs to. So first one, this one is Maharashtra. See the special kind of turbine, right? In olden days, people used to wear different kind of turbine, and this is the speciality of India. You know, this is the speciality of India that people wear different types of turbine on their heads, right? So this is Maharashtra. This is Bengal, I think. Wearing Punjabi. Actually kurta, right? In Bengali we call it Punjabi, right? It's not Punjab wala Punjabi. Anyway, this is Punjab, of course. See the turbine and all. And I think this one. Give me a guess. You can say better. Okay. Now, our national dress. Some of our cloth have become our national dress. The national dress of the Indian woman is sari, and that of Japanese woman is kimono. Now, care of clothes. We need to care of our clothes so that they last long and look good. We should wash. How to care our cloth? That we should wash our cloth regularly, always with clean cloth. Clean cloths. We should always wear clean cloths. Woolen and silk cloths should be washed with a general soap or can be dry cleaned. Dry cleaning involves washing of clothes with chemicals instead of water. Okay. If clothings are torn, if the cloths are torn, they should be maintained. They should be maintained. Before storing and packing cloths, they should be dried in the sun to kill germs. Naphthalene balls or dried neem leaves should be put between the folds of woolen cloths to protect them from moths, silverfish, and other pests like rats and cockroaches. So this is how you can, protect your cloth. You can take care of your cloth so that you will get the chance to wear clean clothes and you will look smart. Is it? It is very important to wear clean cloth. You should iron also. It is not mentioned here because when you are ironing, you are not only giving the crease to the cloth, but you also killing the germs because heat kills lots of germs. Okay, I hope you understand with this video, and more to come. Just stay tuned and have a nice day. Thank you.